You ever get those client requests that seem super simple but then turn into a total headache in
Oh,
Acumatica?
yeah, all the time.
Like, you want to pull a specific set of data, but Acumatica just doesn't seem to have that option.
Absolutely.
One that I run into constantly is like trying to get the inventory valuation report to work with a custom date range.
Hmm.
I mean, you want that inventory data, but you need it for a specific date range,
Yeah.
not just stuck with whatever the standard accounting periods are.
Right.
So today we're going to tackle that exact problem.
Okay.
We've got Krishna Shyamala with us.
Hi.
She's a functional consultant at Tayana Solutions, and she's got 5 years of ERP experience.
Yeah.
And I hear she's solved over 50 unique Acumatica customization challenges. So
Huh.
she definitely knows how to get Acumatica to do what you want.
It's definitely been a journey.
So tell me about it. Like, how do you even approach a problem like this where the standard Acumatica reports just aren't cutting it?
Well, you have to remember that Acumatica is built on a really flexible framework. So you can actually add custom parameters to existing reports without having to rebuild everything from scratch.
Really?
Yeah, so in this case with the inventory valuation report, we basically added a date range parameter.
So like you can just put in whatever start and end date you want.
Exactly. It gives the client so much more control over the data they're seeing.
So I'm guessing this isn't as simple as just like adding a couple of date fields to the report.
Yeah, there's a bit more to it than that.
What's going on behind the scenes?
Well, you do have to add the input fields for the start and end dates, of course.
Yeah.
You also need to modify the report's logic so it actually filters the data based on those dates.
So there's some coding involved?
A little bit, yeah. But it's not anything too crazy if you know what you're doing.
Can you give me an example of how a client might actually use this modified report?
Sure. Imagine you have a retail business that wants to run their inventory valuation report specifically for the holiday season.
Okay.
Let's say from November 15th to December 31st.
Makes sense.
The standard report would probably only let them choose monthly periods,
Right.
so they wouldn't be able to get that precise data for just the holiday season.
But with your modification,
With the date range parameter, they can get a snapshot of their inventory value for that exact time frame.
that's super helpful for businesses trying to track their peak seasons and stuff.
Exactly. It gives them so much more insight into their inventory and how it's performing.
So it seems like these little customizations can make a huge difference for clients.
Oh, absolutely. They can completely change how a client uses and interacts with Acumatica.
And this is what you guys at Tayana Solutions specialize in, right?
Yeah, we're all about implementing Acumatica, but then taking it a step further and customizing it to really meet our clients' needs.
Whether it's reports, workflows, anything.
Anything Acumatica, we can handle it.
So if any of you Acumatica consultants out there are banging your heads against the wall trying to get Acumatica to cooperate,
Yeah.
give Tayana Solutions a call at 678-910-2774.
We'd be happy to help.
They'll take that weight off your shoulders so you can focus on what you do best, which is serving your clients.
Right.
Now, one last thought before we wrap up.
Sure.
What other Acumatica reports or processes could use a little bit of this customization magic? I mean, there's so many possibilities, right?
Absolutely. It's really just limited by your imagination.
And the expertise of a team like Tayana Solutions.
Exactly.
All right, well, thanks so much for joining me today.
It was great talking to you.
And to all you listeners out there, keep pushing those Acumatica boundaries. You never know what you might discover.
Have fun with it.
We'll see you next time.